What's up guys, this is Kelvin on your screens, and for today's video is different from other videos kay mag-unbox ko sa ako ang gift, which is a phone. So i-unbox na ako ang phone na nakuha na ko as a gift from my parents sa Christmas. So di na ito nipadugayan kaya mag-unbox mo ito. So this is the box of the phone. So yeah, it's Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. I don't know if kanang hindot jud kay siya. Doesn't matter. Ano na itong box? Oh my god. Phone! Phone! Ano siya plastic? Ano siya dulaan lang? So this is the phone itself. It's the Galaxy J2 Prime, Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. So my previous phone, here's my previous phone, Star Mobile Up HD. So this Star Mobile Up HD is broken. Yeah. So tira na kasi hindi na siya gumagana. Pag i-on ko, mag-off siya ng kanya lang. So I hate that. Then my phone na usually ginagamit is this Samsung Mega. So proceed na to diri sa box, no? Proceed na to diri sa box. So here is quick start guide. Pero dili na nato ni kailangan ko. Then next is the battery. Momo siya sa battery sa phone. Check na to ang battery sa kong old phone. Momo lang jud, same lang. Don't know. Then next is the USB cable. Then next is the earphones of this phone, and last is the adapter. I don't know if isa siya ka fit para sa ako, pero thank you jud kayo. Hey, I've got a new phone! So yeah guys, mo lang jud to for today's video. Yes, thank you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't subscribed yet. See you in my next video. Peace.
Oh, 'cause I need you to jump on. This world. Can someone help me?